Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is really special because I'm making one of the most popular Korean street foods, Korean cheesy corn dogs. They're crispy on the outside, super stretchy and cheesy on the inside, and honestly, they taste incredible. So let's get started. First, I'm preparing the batter. In a bowl, I'm adding 3/4 cup of the lukewarm water. Make sure the water is not too hot, just warm enough to activate the yeast. Now add 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of instant dry yeast. Mix everything well so the sugar dissolves completely. Once that's mixed, I'm adding 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Mix it until you get a smooth, stretchy batter. It should look thick and elastic. That's exactly what we want. Now cover the bowl with cling wrap and keep it in a warm place. While the batter is resting, let's prepare the potato coating. I'm taking 3 medium potatoes and cutting them into small cubes. Don't cut them too big. Small cubes stick better to the corn dog. Now deep fry these potato cubes. You don't need to fry them until fully soft, just a quick fry so they stay firm. They will cook again when we fry the corn dogs. Once they're lightly golden, take them out and let them cool completely. Next, I'm preparing the star ingredient, mozzarella cheese. This is what makes Korean corn dogs so famous and delicious. Cut the mozzarella into long sticks and place them onto skewers. Make sure the cheese is cold so it doesn't melt too fast while coating. Now my batter is ready. Look how stretchy and airy it has become. Give it a quick mix if the batter turns watery because the ingredients weren't measured properly. Just add a little more flour, mix, and let it rest for 5 minutes again. Dip each cheese stick into the batter. Turn it around so the batter coats the cheese evenly from all sides. Once coated, roll the stick in the fried potato cubes. Press gently so the potatoes stick well. After that, coat it with breadcrumbs. Cover every corner. This is what makes the outside super crispy. Now my Korean corn dogs are ready to fry. You can air fry them too if you want a slightly healthier option, but this is always a deep fried snack. Heat the oil on medium flame, not too hot, or the cheese will leak. Place the corn dogs in the oil and fry them until they turn golden brown and crispy. Look at that, no cheese leaking, perfectly coated and beautifully golden. Take them out and fry the rest the same way. Don't fry too many corn dogs at once because they need space to cook evenly all around. That's why they turn out so crispy. At the same time, the cheese melts beautifully inside. This snack is just irresistible. I love them so much. I promise, once you try them, you'll want to make them again and again. All my corn dogs are ready and they look absolutely amazing. Sprinkle a little salt on top while they're still hot. There's no salt in the batter, so sprinkling a little salt on top makes it tastier. If you want a slightly spicy version, you can also sprinkle some black pepper. You can serve them with ketchup, mayonnaise, mustard, or all three, whatever you prefer. The taste is incredible, crispy outside, super cheesy inside, and full of flavor. This is one of the best Korean street foods, and now you can make it at home. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.